It's so dark out there.
I don't like it.
Want some company? Orin's usually awake this time of night. He might help. Orin, how are you not scared out here? Everything looks so scary in the dark.
The dark isn't scary, Thistle. It's just harder to see at first. My eyes are made for this. Let's give yours a chance, too.
Wait, that scary shape, the old bush by the path?
Exactly. Your eye a little patience to adjust.
I can actually see so much more than I thought.
The dark's not scary, just harder to see. Give your eyes a moment and let them be.